Right back we go. It's almost to Wednesday, February 10th. In the market, we go looking for more of these plays, see where they're going, pointing out recaps, everything. All right, NEPT, interesting stock here. Going back from 2019, this had a big run, 18 all the way up to 5. Found this 250 support, then it took a move all the way to 650. Then look what happened. This thing dropped from August 2020 to April, 650 all the way down to 1. So I'm going to take that out now. You can see that. That is basically a falling wedge. Once this wedge is broken, then it breaks up. That's what it should do. So, this went from 1 from the March crash all the way to 350. And then it faded again for months. So this puts in big moves like monthly, then down for months, down, found a 150 line. So it didn't go back to 1. And then, like the rest of the stocks, the volume has been increasing. The 2 line, 175. Look at this takeoff. Right here's a beautiful candle yesterday, and today you didn't know it was going to do this. This put it in a major wick. This blasted through 325, 350, 575. This thing was on fire, and it almost got to that 650 line. So a big wick like this, though, that's a huge topping tail. I mean, this move was only 6 a.m. So 30 minutes has made this move on the chart, and it crushed through all these levels. And it didn't hold. That's the problem. Now, what's it going to do from here? With a wick like that, usually they come back. This could come back tomorrow big. I've seen this before, maybe to 225 too. We'll see. In this market, anything's possible. But what we have to do now is get over 350. We have to get over this 350 level. And then once we get over that, that becomes support. So, big moves made, big volume. Was there news on this? $96 million float. Neptune acquires controlling interest in Sprout Foods, fast-growing 3-brand portfolio. I think I have a Sprouts Foods where I live. Never been there, but operates integrated health and wellness company. Well, that's big. That is big, big, big. So, but that wick is huge. That made a big run in 30 minutes. That's it. You want it to go more like this grind up. So it's hard to say what it'll do here. It might come back. It might bring an inside day. See, this volume might come really down. And then, test this back. We get a back test and come back up on a sharp move like that. But you can see the lines here. We can see where we're going. We're still going up. This might be pulled back, tomorrow. We'll see what happens, though. Anything's possible. And if you had that long, congrats. That's an awesome long. POAI, 16 million float. Market cap 52 million. Done this before. Healthcare services, United States, oncology. That's what they do. This one again, falling channel. Got to 2. See the move here, fade it, and fade it to about 65 cents. See this? Descending triangle. The high getting lower. Squeeze is January. Look at the volume here. See that volume? You notice that's much higher than this. Even though there's some good bars here, but this is much stronger. Instead of 75 cents, we got to 150. Tries the back test a little bit here. There's a fake out for longs. Longs probably have faked out here, but it bounced. And then up we go, 125, 175, 2. Now it's testing that 2 line again. See, almost here, like touch. Have close 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many's here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7, almost 8 touches. So will this break 2? I pretty much sure this will. Pretty low float. I can see this anywhere from 2, this 5 level, because all these wicks. Once you're over 2 again, you want support to hold over 2. Now, this is pretty far away. Like, these are getting very extended. These are, like, overextended from your 13, 20 EMA. You want this to come back and hold right here. This does a nice pullback, 125. That's fine. Even if it did 1, it doesn't mean the move's over. these come pull back strong. They're small cap penny stocks. They can make big moves. So we want this. If it does pull back, then see this like that move. Come here, come back to 125, then grind up. So another strong stock. JFU. Just give me a drink here. Protein drink. Been a trainer for 20 years. Not training that much. The most important things too, I've been taking creatine, off and on 20 years. Put in here like almond milk, peanut butter, banana, some protein with creatine. Creatine pushes water in your muscles, and when you have that, you can perform better, you recover better, working out stronger, and without taking it, it's just like night and day. Your lifts and everything, not even close. And it's found to be safe over the years. I've been taking it 20 years, so nothing's happened to me yet. So I guess I'm proof of it. So, all right, here we go. JFU, 128 million float, market cap, bigger market cap, 293 million. Not a real small one. They are financial account platform, People's Republic of China. Now, I've talked about this too. Check back my videos on all these. Just look at the little tile, the thumbnail, and look at each ticker, because I probably went over most of these. And I said this was going to break this 150, 175 level. See right here, you have the lows getting higher, and you're trying to break this high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 9 touches, 10, 11. We broke it on 12. So there's no guarantee you're breaking on 1, 2. Who knows on these? But that's a beautiful candle here. Look at this. So we're well above it now. There's nothing here. There's nothing back there. This could easily, it's on a low float too. They could run it pretty slowly, not crazy moves. I could easily see this. We're getting the 3 all the way up to 6 to 7 level. I could see that easy. Doesn't mean it's going to happen overnight. Again, if this pulls back to 175, you want that to hold. That is great support now. Resistance becomes support when it's broken. And then this 150 level be your secondary resistance. And then back here, maybe like 115. See this? Because the low, this is the ultimate trend line. If we come all the way back here and that holds, that's fine. It could have been a dump or something, and then people get in here. So there's all different ways to look at it, whatever you're playing it, but just pointing out all these levels. Finviz has a multiple bottom here at 1. And you can see here, 1, you can put a line right here. See this? It's 1 level. So, the market's cooled off as far as, it's up 18 today. S&P down a little bit, NASDAQ down slightly. But these small caps have been hot. They're still rolling. When's this going to stop? No one knows. When this stops, probably the whole market's going to get a big pullback. So if it does, like in 2018, 2019, 2020, right now I'm just looking 389 the SPY. This could fall to like 350. That would be pretty healthy pullback, but nothing yet. All right, so all these stocks have made pretty decent moves. NEPT, POAI, JFU. Check the video out. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. And on YouTube, smash the like button. Leave comments. Leave information too. I can't look up every stock information. I'm just doing little quick hitters. Write anything about the stock, anything. It would be extremely helpful. All right, that's it. Peace.